Okay, so it is May the 26th, 2022. We are heading to Anglin Falls. We've not been there a little while. It's one of our favorite spots. We've had some rain recently, so it should be running nicely. We are also under a storm warning, so we may or may not see some of the rain, but that is coming. But we're going to plan to go and enjoy a little hike and see the waterfall. We did say that there is a threat of a storm, so, you know, hey, we've hit the edge of it here. It looks like the sky is starting to clear up a little. I don't think this is going to last very long for us. So it should be a really nice hike and a lot of water for the waterfall. Okay, so we have made it to Anglin Falls. It's not really raining much here, just a little bit of a drizzle. Canopy will cover most of it. We do have some ponchos if we need them. And we're going to go for a nice little wet hike. Should be really nice at the falls. Yeah, it's a beautiful afternoon out despite the rain and the storms. John B. Stevenson Memorial Forest. They do kind of have a little map here. It's pretty much a straight shot just up the hill. We are getting pretty close to the top. I'm not saying this is an overly strenuous trail. For a lot of people, it's probably not. If you're like me, starting a little bit older and out of shape a little bit, then it can take your breath a little bit. And it's humid enough today that definitely it'll make you sweat. Even with the rain, it's still humid. Plus, the being out of shape. But that's what I'm working on, right? So getting out and enjoying nature, getting in shape, that's the goal. Just get out here and have fun and enjoy all this beauty while doing something that's healthy. As we go on up, the falls is just right up here past that stand of trees. The white ones in the background. So we will be there in just a few minutes. Now leaving away from the waterfall, off to the right, there is a trail that goes up this way over the edge of this little embankment here, and goes on down a little bit, and there is a place you can scurry up to the top of that ledge, and then you can come all the way back up here over the top to the top of the falls. But since it's been raining and it's wet, these rocks are really slippery at the moment, I'm not going to go up that little trail today. We'll save that for another trip. It is rather narrow, and it's a bit loose and gravelly anyway. The rain will just make it worse. So I'm going to pass on that one for today. Instead, I guess it's time to kind of head back that direction, head back down. We love showing our adventures and our hikes with you. Love getting out and doing stuff. It is something that we really enjoy. I mean, just get out and enjoy life. That's what we enjoy doing. Like our channel says, part of our logo, you know, enjoy life. That's the key thing. Get out and enjoy all this beautiful nature we have. Enjoy the experiences that are here for us to have. So we'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Share these videos around with some of your friends, you know, copy the link, send it out. Your friends that enjoy this kind of thing. If you have a group that would appreciate this kind of stuff, share it with them too. But please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next trip.